Today, I will introduce Meta AI, an artificial intelligence assistant developed by Meta. Meta AI helps users with tasks such as answering questions, generating ideas, writing content, translating languages, summarizing information, and creating images. It is available on Meta platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger, making it easy to use in daily conversations. In this video, we will explain what Meta AI is, its key features, how it works, and its positive and negative impacts. To understand Meta AI, we first need to know about Meta Platforms Inc. Meta is an American technology company founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and his co-founders. It is headquartered in Menlo Park, California. The company was originally known as Facebook. Over time, it expanded by acquiring Instagram in 2012, WhatsApp in 2014, and Oculus VR. In 2021, it changed its name to Meta to focus on building the metaverse and developing advanced technologies like artificial intelligence. Today, Meta serves billions of users worldwide and invests heavily in AI research, including Meta AI and the Llama language models, to improve communication and user experience across its platforms. Next, let's look at the organizational structure of Meta Platforms Inc. At the top is the Chief Executive Officer, Mark Zuckerberg, who leads the company and sets its overall direction and strategy. He is supported by key executives such as the Chief Financial Officer, Susan Lee, the Chief Technology Officer, Andrew Bosworth, the Chief Product Officer, Chris Cox, and the Chief Legal Officer, Jennifer Newstead. They manage major areas like finance, technology, product development, and legal affairs. Below them are different departments, including engineering, artificial intelligence, finance, human resources, and global operations. These departments work together to support Meta platforms and services. A key part of the structure is the Artificial Intelligence Division, where researchers, engineers, and data scientists develop Meta AI and the Llama models. Overall, this structure helps Meta manage its global platforms and continuously innovate in artificial intelligence.
Now I will explain about the technological implementation, changes, and development at Meta Platforms. Meta was originally known as a social media company with platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. However, the company is now transforming into an artificial intelligence or AI company under the leadership of CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Meta is investing billions of dollars to develop AI technologies, especially its Llama AI models. To support this transformation, Meta is building more data centers and purchasing powerful computer chips. These are needed to train AI models to provide faster, smarter AI services. Meta is also integrating AI into its platform to improve content recommendation, customer support, and user experience. Besides investing in technology, Meta has also changed the way it operates. The company has assigned more engineers and researchers to AI projects and continue to hire skilled AI experts. This helps Meta develop new AI products and remain competitive in the technology industry. In addition, Meta is expanding into new technology areas such as cloud computing and AI services. This allows the company to explore new business opportunities while continuing to improve its digital platforms. Overall, Meta's technological implementation shows its commitment to innovation and future growth. By investing in AI, improving in infrastructure, and expanding its technology, Meta aims to become one of the world's leading AI companies.
Today, I'm going to talk about the positive side of how Meta handles rapid technological change. While fast-moving tech can easily overwhelm a business, Meta has actually used it to completely upgrade how they make money and how their internal teams work. The biggest game changer for them recently has been AI. If you have noticed your Instagram Reels or Facebook feed getting much more addictive, that's because Meta upgraded their recommendation algorithm. For their business model, this is Go. It keeps us scrolling longer, which means advertisers are willing to pay top dollar. In fact, these smart AI targeting tools boosted their ad revenue to massive new height hitting around $47 billion in recent cycles. Moreover, it's not just about making money, it's also about how they run things internally. Meta used to be heavily criticized for having too many middle managers, which made things slow. To fix this, they embraced new digital infrastructure and internal tools like an open source system called Bug2, which allows their software engineers to compile code about 50% faster. By automating the boring and repetitive tasks, they managed to flatten their corporate structure, making the whole company faster and more agile. Finally, Meta did something really smart by going open source with their AI model called Llama. Instead of hiding their tech as secrets, they share it with developers worldwide. This essentially lets the global tech community fix bugs and improve Meta's technology for free, putting Meta right at the center of global AI innovation. To sum it up, instead of letting rapid technology disrupt them, Meta leaned directly into using it to make their platform more profitable, their engineers faster, and their brand a leader in global AI. Thank you, and now I will pass it over to my teammate to cover the negative impacts.
Now, I will explain some of the negative impacts of Meta AI. Although Meta AI offers useful features, it also raises concerns related to privacy, online safety, and ethics. The first concern is privacy risk. Meta AI collects and processes user prompts to generate responses, which means users may unknowingly share personal or sensitive information. In some cases, users have mistakenly assumed their interaction were private, but their prompts were actually shared publicly. This shows a lack of transparency as users are not fully informed about how their data is collected, stored, or shared. As a result, people may disclose sensitive information without understanding the risks involved. The second concern is the increase in harmful content. Meta AI uses algorithms that prioritize content based on user engagement, and often more shocking or emotional content gets higher views. This can lead to the spread of hate speech, misinformation, and discrimination across platforms. Users may also be more frequently exposed to violent or graphic material, which can negatively affect mental well-being and gradually reduce sensitivity towards violence. Overall, this creates a less safe online environment. Finally, there are ethical and legal concerns. One issue is manipulative interface design, where certain features may encourage users to share more information than they intended. Privacy settings are not always presented in a clear and user-friendly way, which can influence users' decisions. This raises concerns about whether users are giving full consent and whether platforms are complying properly with data protection principles. Without clear understanding, consent becomes questionable. In conclusion, while Meta AI provides convenience, it also presents significant risks. Issues related to privacy, harmful content, and ethical design highlight the need for stronger transparency, better safeguards, and more responsible use of AI technologies to protect users.
Assalamualaikum. Now I will present the conclusion and recommendation for our topic Meta AI. Meta AI is an important technological development introduced by Meta. It is integrated into Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger to improve user digital experience. Overall, Meta AI provides many benefits. It helps improve productivity, give more personalized assistance, allow faster access to information, and improve customer engagement. However, there are also some challenges such as data privacy issues, misinformation, ethical consent, and the impact of AI on current job opportunities. Therefore, Meta AI continue developing AI responsibly while protecting user personal data and promoting ethical AI practice. From part recommendation, first, Meta should strengthen the security and protection of user personal data. Second, the company should improve its AI monitoring system to reduce false or misleading information. Third, Meta should be more transparent about how user data is collected and used. Lastly, Meta should continue investing in AI research, employee training, and ethical guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly. In conclusion, Meta AI has a great potential to improve digital communication,
and support innovation with the responsible management and continuous improvement, Meta AI can continue to benefit both the company and its user. That's all from me. Thank you.